look, I have so much food in front of me. These are all chicken from 24 Chicken Delivery. This is not a sponsored post. I just want to try everything in their menu because I've been hearing so much people raving about this chicken. So why, diba? So let's try it and look. I think this chicken started in Tap, but now it's here in Noval. So for Thomasians like me, this will save us from all our Frankie's cravings every now and then, but we can't go there and we have no budget. So eto, I'm not sure how everything tastes. Wala pa akong idea at all how this chicken wings, is it even chicken? Oh no, it's not. So this chicken would taste. So let's check it out and see if this chicken would save us from all our cravings and hunger every time we don't want to go out of the condo or dorm anymore. So let's see. I looked through the internet and their delivery is from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. I thought it was a 24 hours delivery, kaya 24 chicken siya, pero hindi pala. So let's just move on and start eating. I ordered everything in their menu except for the Yong Yong ba? Yong Yong times 2 because I already ordered the Yong Yong and I'm not that mahilig sa spicy food. So let's try this. I'm gonna open everything. In order ko pala yung lahat may kanan, so I don't know, sayang yung kanan. I-share ko na lang sa mga tao. Okay, let's try. This chicken are Korean chicken yata. Korean chicken. So, let's try it. Ito muna. Let's start with the original. Nagkakamin lang ako. Papakagawin ito ganito. Chicken is life. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's chili. Hindi ako mabubuhay na walang kanan. Kailangan may kanan. Chicken, ordinary fried chicken pag original yung in-order nyo. As in ordinary fried chicken. So let's try the other flavor. One is the Yong Yong, kasi YY nakalagay Yong Yong. This is quite spicy, nakalagay sa menu nila. And they have another version of this, which is the Yong Yong with garlic. This one. Yong Yong with garlic. And they have another one, yung Yong Yong times 2, so extra spicy. Hindi ko rin in-order since meron na tayong with garlic and yung Yong Yong na. So let's try Yong Yong. Hirap kamay nito because it has a sauce and you get really messy. So I got this. It's weird, pero it tastes Korean. It's kind of sweet and alam niyo yung parang kimchi siya with sweet flavor. Pag nilagyan niyo ng super daming sugar yung kimchi, ganito yung lasa ng sauce niya. So let's try it with the garlic na lang. Kukunin ko na lang ang garlic nito. Dapat pala. Kasi I think that's the only difference of this one, yung Yong Yong with garlic. Nilagyan lang talaga siyang literal na garlic, yung Yong Yong nila. I prefer yung Yong Yong with garlic kasi wait lang, may buto. I prefer the Yong Yong with garlic kasi yung sauce niya, sinabi ko kanina, is sweet. Tapos pag nilagyan mo ng garlic, parang nagkaka-savory siya, savory na lasa siya. So yun. Let's try another flavor, which is, what's this one? Is, spring onions. Ito. Pwede natin yung maliit. Spring onions. Pero ba't wala siyang spring onions? Sila sa may street seeds lang kung meron. Tingnan natin. This is kind of like pineapple. May pineapple. Parang yung ano, yung sabaw ng pineapple na nakakatch lang nilagay dito. It's good. Let's try another flavor. Oh my gosh, pinalaw ko lahat ng kanin. Dapat sila nila. Okay, let's try another flavor. This one, what is JD? Let's see. Ito yung Jack Daniels. Sorry. Ito yung Jack Daniels nilang chicken. Let's try it. Ito, sakto may wings nilang. Ang sarap. Ito yung parang normal na chicken wings na nabibili sa iba't ibang restaurants. Yung lasa ng sarap. Parang buffalo wings. I like this. So far, this is my favorite. So let's move on to another flavor. This one is garlic. Yeah, garlic. I think this chicken nilagyan lang. It's like the original lang, pero nilagyan ng garlic. So, magtipid ka na lang. I think it's the same. Same naman pala yung presyo. Hindi. Mas mahal ng 10 piso yung garlic from the original. So, kung gusto nyo may garlic, kung may garlic kayo sa bahay, mag-garlic na kayo sa bahay, 10 piso din yun, diba? Sayang naman. Kung let's try the original na lang, I will eat the garlic of the chicken na garlic. Yun. The original chicken lang na may garlic. Ganun lang. Let's see the SP barbecue. Ano yung SP barbecue? I think it's just barbecue. Oh, spicy barbecue. Let's try it. It looks super spicy. Look, it's super red. Wait, I can lift it up. Here. It's super red, so I think this is very spicy. Oh my shirt! If Koreana at heart ka and you know the taste of the soybean paste, yung nilalagay sa samgyeopsal, ito yun. Nilalagay lang nila doon. Super anghang. Well, I need water. So there guys, ang anghang nung spicy barbecue. Spicy nga talaga siya, intense. Hindi ko kaya. Pero yun, yung kung ano lasa ng soybean paste na red, kung meron kayo na bibiling soybean paste niya, yung red, yung maanghang, yun yung lasa niya. So there it is guys, we tasted all the chicken from 24 Chicken Delivery. So far what I liked was the Jack Daniels chicken and the Yong Yong with garlic. And what I didn't like is the spicy barbecue because it was super spicy. Yes. Tapos yun nga, pag bumili kayo ng original chicken and you want the garlic, kung may garlic naman kayo sa bahay, 10 piso din yun, mag-chop lang kayo ng garlic at ilagay nyo dun sa original chicken. So that's it. I'm not really a fan of everything. I like Queen Vibe more, but the Jack Daniels chicken and the Yong Yong garlic is worth the try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this video helps you pick out what to order if you're in your condo or dorm and you just don't want to go out and you just have to order delivery. So bye! Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button. I have to finish all this, so bye-bye!